Fishkin-Techstination, your destination for gadgets and gear. I'm Fred Fishkin. Some gadget gifts for just about anyone. The Look Stand is a great little stand for phones or tablets that can hold your mobile device in landscape or portrait mode while you're chatting, video conferencing, or maybe cooking in the kitchen. There are mini and max sizes too. Find it at hellolookshop.com. The Buddy Beat neck speaker light from Spice of Life is another unique gift that's great for taking a walk or even reading in bed. It goes around your neck, sounds good, and has aimable lights up front and even a light on the back for visibility. Pretty cool. The site is spiceoflifeusa.com. They also have another bright idea, especially for kids, the Smile LED Lantern. It's a portable LED nightlight for indoors or out and is powered by AA batteries. You can find us at Techstination.com. I'm Fred Fishkin. Innovation, sustainability, fearless. Those are some of the words that come to mind when I think of GoSun and founder Patrick Sherwin. It's one of those started in a garage stories and continues on with Patrick and his team finding new ways to harness the power of the sun. Solar ovens, coolers, water filtration, solar rechargeable batteries like the beautifully designed Power 550, solar panels, and even portable tables with solar panel tops. GoSun takes on challenges and innovates fearlessly. The GoSun Chillest portable fridge can be used every day in your house or is at home running on battery power at a campsite. Great for transporting groceries over distances too. And it is a company that has been there to help wherever needed. Learn more about the products and the people behind them at gosun.co.